So I wanted to show you inside my latest project, and which is actually a dream project of mine, and that's to have a place on the beach, but not just any place, to basically create my own sort of home creative studio for YouTube and also a place to live in paradise, basically. So I have managed to take on and get my hands on this little place here. Now it needs refurbishment. I'll show you around. It's pretty run down. This is probably about 30 years old, this place. And I'm going to show you the amazing view very soon. But here, if we look around, this is what we're working with. So it's kind of an old school, little old house on the beach. And I've managed to move all my stuff in. I'm a bit sweaty right now because I've literally been moving everything. Last night came in late and then just dropped everything. So the plan is, give you a little tour quickly, is outside here we've got a little place which goes onto a little lake, and let me actually show you. So it comes outside, and then we've got a beautiful little lake which I'm not really sure that you can see at the back. And then we've got a little kitchen with a view out to the lake. I don't really like doing dishes, but I tell you what, I would do them here. So everything is a bit old. So I'm going to be doing lots of different renovations and work and everything else. And we've got some crazy blue tiles, which will need to be painted over with something. And then if we go into here, we've got the bathroom, big shower. And then we've got a big room with my desk set up here. Now, the idea behind what I'm going to be doing here, and you can see a little bit of the view there out the window. Yes, that is the sea. I will show you in just a second towards the end. But the idea of this is that I want to be able to create a space that I can record videos anywhere. I could record them sitting in a chair here. I want to design it so that it all looks great. I'm going to keep the sort of minimalist vibe that I like. I believe in minimalism. I love minimalism. I don't like to have too much stuff. And just moving again now, I've realized how quickly you build up stuff. But the idea is I don't want to be recording at the desk. I don't want to just be recording on the beach, walking or walking outside and stuff. I want to be able to record on the balcony, in the chair here, you know, having little different corner parts. You know how you see vloggers and YouTubers where they've basically got their creative space. So channels like Comfy, where, okay, she's got more of a studio where she's actually creating and selling products as well. But the idea is to have a creative space where you can record just about anywhere, because yes, I love going out onto the beach and now I have the opportunity to just jump straight outside. But the issue is it's raining sometimes it's too hot, sometimes it's too humid. It's just not always feasible. And also, it's actually a lot easier. I'm always telling people to do what would this look like if it was fun and easy? You want to be able to just press record just about any time. So if you're in your car, if you're walking down the street, if you're going to work, if you're sitting at home in your kitchen or whatever else, record anywhere. You just want to press record. So this is going to be my creative space. I'm going to be painting this, decorating it, renovating it. I'll document you guys on the progress as we go through. And yeah, I'm not a DIY expert. I've done little bits and pieces, but this is going to be a fun project. And this is sort of, whenever you're getting stuck on YouTube and creating videos and everything else, this is where, if you're a business or you're a creative type, or even if you're doing something in sports or whatever else, I think it's great to document something. So you can do this sort of POV style of channels where you're documenting something for your business, or you may be documenting the journey on something, say running a marathon and the build up and everything that goes with that. So setting yourself challenges when you get stuck, these could be challenges in the sense of I'm going to upload a video every single day, or they could just be challenges in the sense of documenting something that you're going to do, a project, shall we say, that still ties into your channel and your avatar, that can then give you a bunch of content, like a series of content, to help you to be able to grow and to do things. That way you can keep it fun and easy for yourself, so you have creative ideas that you never have to stop. So let's quickly go outside and I will show you the view so you can actually see it, because this is the cool part. So yes, I don't live near the beach. I don't live next to the beach. I live on the beach. And I can tell you now, this is a dream of mine. I've always dreamed on living in a place on the beach. So I'm going to keep you guys updated with the progress and the different ideas that I've got in terms of creating this into like a studio idea for creating videos. So any little things, I've got some great ideas. Hopefully I'll be able to inspire you guys a bit to do some things in your own home space or whatever you've got going on to be able to start creating more content. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.